In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can give your photos a moody green look. First we would go to Light. Increase exposure to 20.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two.
Increase contrast up to 50.
Ain't going back.
Decrease highlights to 20.
Matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us.
Increase shadows to 65.
The world is waiting up.
Decrease whites to 24.
Step beyond our door.
Increase blacks to 50.
It's not enough. I wanna see the stuff.
Now go to color. Increase vibrance to 10.
I'm falling.
And decrease saturation to 20.
Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
Now click on the color mix. Go to yellow color. Decrease hue to 20. Also decrease saturation to 80 and luminance to -15. Now go to green. Decrease hue to 24.
Like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
Saturation to -64.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
And luminance to +10.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door.
Now go to aqua. Change the hue to -50.
Enough. I wanna see the
And
stuff.
saturation to -70.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you
Now go to blue.
every corner twice as bright.
Decrease hue to -75.
When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm
And saturation to +30.
lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now go to Effects panel. Increase clarity to 51.
I'll see the Stockholm
Then dehaze up to 50.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now go to split toning. Highlights should be around 215 and saturation about 20. Shadows should be around 190 and saturation about 10. Now go to detail. Increase sharpness to 20.